Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing a box of the vtech Twist Adventures Dino Discoveries 30 plus facts to explore, 3 games, discovery missions challenge, journey through prehistoric twists and turns, T-Rex is missing, try me press.
Twist the cube and press the buttons to start.
4+ years, these are from vtech. Here's the bag. Roaring with excitements. 3 games modes, twists and turns to explore. Triceratops is missing. Bring it to the Dino Center. Dino Center, Dino Scanner. Press the Dino Center or Dino Scanner button with the correct creature is next to the button. Let's open it up. And because there's tape on the box, we have to open faster. Why is there harder to open? Well, I don't know. I'll just have to open like that. What does it says? Warning. All packaging metals such as tapes, plastic sheets, packaging locks, removable tags, cables, ties, cords, and packaging screws are not part of this toy and should be discarded for your child's safety. Interesting. I noticed that this would be able to talk to you guys. Here is all the dinosaurs. Here's the manual. Where to explore. The baby toys. And here's all more toys. Story time with Sunday, Marble Rush, Switch and Go, Kitty Zoom Smartwatch DX3, Kitty Zoom Creator Camera, Kitty Star DJ Mixer. And here's instructions. Included in this package. Wow, I never said that. What do you think? Don't you recognize this cube is such a nice thing to play? Well, I don't know. Well, I'm super excited when I get this thing out. Well, so I'm super excited when I play it. That's the way it is. What does it says? Please remove this strip. And here it is out of the box. It looks like a Rubik's Cube.
Twist the cube and...
There's Triceratops. Oh, I mean, Styrosaurus.
Some dinos and prehistoric creatures turned into fossils when they died.
Well, I don't know what I can scan. Let me show on the box.
Twist the cube and press the buttons.
That's so annoying
to the
when I
Dino
scan
Zoo.
it.
Twist the cube and press the buttons to learn about dinos and other prehistoric creatures.
Well, I don't know how much I like this toy. We have Tyrannosaurus Rex. We have... I don't know what that is. Let me know in the comments.
Some dinos and prehistoric creatures turned into fossils when they died.
Oh! Some dinosaurs died. Let's see.
Twist the cube and press the buttons to start.
There's an on and off switch.
Welcome to the Dino Zoo. Twist the cube and press the buttons to learn about dinos and other prehistoric. Some dinos and prehistoric creatures turned into
We
fossils
have-
when they died.
Stegosaurus. We have Branchosaurus. We have, let's see what it says. Can I find the Microraptor? Oh, there's Microraptor. How interesting is that?
Twist the cube. Welcome. Twist the cube.
If I really like this
And prehistoric
twist
creatures
and
turned into
turn
fossils when they died.
Dino Discovery, it's probably the coolest thing ever. I really like this toy if I know that much. Now, would you haven't talked about this anyway? I bet it is. Now, this is for ages 4 and up. I have to say I like it. Now, you would believe this toy if you will say that much. Now, could you have it as a gift? Well, I believe so. Now you could say I like this toy. By so far, when you have a Dinosaurus Rubik's Cube, this is such a beautiful toy in the world. Now we see it before. That's what we know if you already seen a dinosaur Rubik's Cube. So we haven't seen this toy. You would believe in this. So how much you would have to say you like dinosaurs so much than us. Now that's what we like so much. Thanks for watching the vtech Twist Adventures Dino Discoveries. Bye.